Hey everybody, I'm the Drunk Developer. I hope you watched the last video and you made a WinForm like I did. And then you went around and bragging to everybody that you're a developer. And that everybody should be your bitch. If not, you're wasting your time because you're not going to learn anything just watching me do it. You got to do it too. So get off your fucking ass and make you a WinForm, alright? So let's talk about the different forms, or the different parts of this project that got created. Truth of the matter is, a lot of people did a lot of work and a lot of shit got generated just so I could write one line of code that brings up a message box and tell everybody I'm a developer. So let's talk about what happened here. Well, if you write a C# program, you have to have a program with a main function in it to tell it this is where all your shit starts. It all starts here. And you'll see in this project, look, there's a fucking program in here with a main in it. And you can only have one main. This is where it all starts. And look, it even put a comment in here automatically, the main entry point for this application. In case you didn't know that. So there it is, and look, it even calls my Form 1 I did. And so let's go to this Form 1. Here, look, here's the form I created in our application. I didn't even have to fucking name it. I'm so fucking lazy, I didn't even name the damn form, and it did it for me. So this is kind of interesting here. You click on it, and it brings up my form. Okay, that's pretty easy. I can move shit around. Well, if you see this little arrow, you can expand this class. And actually, your class is made up of a couple fucking files. And Visual Studio just kind of works with them all together seamlessly. There's your Form 1 designer. Now, you can click and look at this shit. Look, let's do it. Oh, look at all this shit code that got created. Look, it says Windows Form Designer generated code. Now, normally, you don't even need to do this. You don't need to mess with this stuff. In fact, you could fuck something up by messing with this. It's best if you, because this is mostly visual stuff, do it in a visual area. Do it here. This isn't fucking HTML right here where you gotta you're writing where everything fucking needs to go. Let the IDE take care of it for you. Okay? In fact, it's a safe thing to do. Now right in here, that Form 1 down here is where that code is. This is where the code where I write. This is my spot. I put my shit here. There's more than one way to get to it, too. Like I go back to Form 1 here, the designer. I can right click on something and view code. I can hit F7, it says right there. Or I can click over here on the form and get into it. Nice thing about clicking on it, like I double clicked on that button and look, it put me right on the event that happens when you click it. It says, oh, I bet anything is what you want to do. You want code where it happens when you click on this button. I might not have, but that's what double clicking does. So that tells you how shit's divided up a little bit. Look, here's something interesting. Watch this. I'll go to this designer code that I'm not supposed to be fucking with. Let's expand that out. Look, what if I can put a, here, see, this is the button, my nameless button 1. Let's make that 142. Just like that, and I go back to designer. Look at that shit. It expanded it just like that. It's magic. It's fucking magic. Now I got a giant button. Alright, I'm obviously sobering up, and I don't like it. So I'm going to go get a drink. That's it for now. Like the video, hate the video. Hey, maybe even subscribe. Shit. It'd be nice. Till next time, I'm the Drunk Developer.